Hi, what's going on? Today's video is about something I have not done before. That's polishing and restoration of my 6-year-old fiberglass RV. I'm a total newbie in this work and probably did something wrong. Please give me your advice for a better job next time. Even my first time doing this, the outcome was fantastic. The most oxidized area on top of the front cap got shiny again. The exterior color got enhanced just like brand new as it was 6 years ago. First off, washed my RV. Hose the RV and scrub the surface gently with a soft brush soaked in a mix of water and all-purpose detergent. And let it dry. These are the tools and the compound I used this time. I used a 6-inch 100% natural wool polishing pad. 6-inch dual-action polisher from Harbor Freight. RV and Marine 1-Step 57 compound from Meguiar's. This compound is cutting oxidation from the surface and polishing to a glossy. I decided to use this after watching many RVers on YouTube. RVers on YouTube say, wool pads are cutting pads because they are more abrasive than foam pads, and cut deeper into paint layers than foam. This polisher has 6-speed control. According to the manual, it is from 2000 to 6400 RPM at no load. Not sure how accurate that is. As the speed gets faster, the amplitude of the vibration gets greater. At no load, the vibration was significant, especially at the speed setting over 4 out of 6. My research said, a dual-action polisher is highly recommended for a beginner like me. It has a random orbit, and is less likely to damage the paint. Alright, let's get started. Apply the compound to the wool pad. To demonstrate the difference between polished area and non-working area, I put tape on the outside kitchen door to separate the two areas. First, dab the pad around the working area. Then turn on the polisher. I set the speed 4 out of 6. This is one of my mistakes in the practice. I turned on the polisher before pressing the pad onto the working area. This caused a mess. The compound spread all over the place. The pad should be pressed on the working area before turning on a polisher. Slowly move the pad from left to right and from right to left. Don't move the pad quick. And don't press the pad too hard. In the video it doesn't look like the pad is spinning fast, like 3 to 4000 RPM. But it might be due to the number of frame per second setting issue. For the benefit of a dual action polisher, press the pad lightly so the pad spins nice and smooth. Just press it to hold the machine. The machine does the job, and then move the pad up and down. Again, slowly and lightly press the pad. Now, I'm done polishing the left side of the door. The next thing is wiping off the compound using a microfiber cloth until the surface gets shiny and smooth. You will notice, as you wipe off the residual compound, the surface gets shinier, and lots of reflections come back. Alright, now the left side of the door is finished. Let's remove the tape, and see the difference between the worked area and the non-working area. Do you see the difference? Lots of reflection on the polished area, and the non-working area is dull. Let's continue working on the rest of the area. You will see the right side of the door also gets shiny, and the color enhanced. Now, the outside kitchen door is finished. It got a shiny and smooth surface. I like the good reflections. It doesn't look this rig has been stored outside for 24/7, 6 years. Not bad for my first time doing this. Okay. Moving on to the next working area, the other side of the trailer. This side has been more exposed to the sun while it's stored. Again, I put tape to separate the two areas. Repeat the same process. Polish and wipe off. See the difference again? It's really working great to remove the deoxidation and bring back the freshness of the paint. The polishing works great on the decals. The color of the decals got deeper and richer as polished. Now they are just like a brand new. Moving on to the front cap. This fiberglass front cap, especially at the top, got the most deoxidation over the years. It completely lost its original shine and faded. The surface got rough. Let's see how much it got improved after the polishing. Climb the ladder carefully and do the process. Since it got severe oxidation, I needed to spend more time than the rest of the area. Look. The process really worked great. The wool pad and the compound abrased the deoxidized layer deep of the fiberglass. Now it's shining again. It's awesome. The difference is quite obvious. I'm happy with the result. This is the image after waxing the entire RV. I waxed after polished. As you can see, it got even glossier after waxing. It's completely restored and looks like it's 6 years ago shine. I'm going to show you how I waxed my RV using a DA polisher from Harbor Freight in my next video. Please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and thumbs up.